Hey Maanas. So the other day while we were working on our neural network assignment, we came across a function called Softmax and neither of us could really explain what it was. So I decided to look it up a little bit, and it's actually not as complex as we originally thought it was. So the best way I can explain it without using a lot of math, because I'm not really sure about the math part of it, is that imagine if you have a scenario where you need to decide if an image is one of many different things. For example, if the image is of a person or of a cat or a dog or a mouse or etc., then when you run your image through the neural network and you apply a softmax function at the end of it, that will actually normalize your data in a way that for each of those classes, it will, when you add them all together, it will add up to a value of 1. And the purpose of this is to get, for example, a confidence level of what the neural network thinks the image is of. So for example, if you feed the neural network an image of me, it might output that it has a 90% confidence level that I am a human, and maybe a 5% chance that I might be a cat, 2% that I'm a dog, 0.1% I might be a mouse, and so on. So all of them should add up to 100%. Now the interesting thing here is there's other functions that has similar properties. The one I'm thinking about right now is called Sigmoid, and it's actually a specialized version of the softmax function in that it does the same thing but with a binary output. So for example, if you wanted to make a decision on if you should purchase a home or not based on real estate data, then you can feed it through the neural network, run it through a sigmoid function, and it will output a confidence level of X% yes and X% no. And when you add both of those up, it should total 100%. So I hope that clarifies things a little bit. Now I'm not 100% clear on all of the small details, but I also need to look into more of that stuff as well. So let's continue on with our neural network learning journey, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.